Hello. Today we're going to learn something new. Today we're going to learn about the cognates. Most of our sentences are based in information like my keys are on the table. Information, or the question, where are my keys? Sometimes we can talk about something that is uncertain, something that I don't know. So I cannot say, where are my keys? Maybe I don't know if you know where my keys are. So I might say to my friend, do you know, 알아요? Do you know? Do you know this? Where are my keys? And many people learning English, they will say, do you know where are my keys? But that's wrong. Where are my keys? That's a good sentence, but do you know where are my keys? That's wrong. We say, do you know where my keys are? The rule's a little different. Also, if I want to say think, like 생각, you can't say, do you think where my keys are? That doesn't work. So we say, where do you think my keys are? So this is the first time you've seen this. Oops. This is quite hard. Where do you think my keys are? So let's talk about the stacks to help you. Today, we won't do the think sentence. This is the symbol for think. Backwards, comma. This is the symbol for no. Forwards, comma. Today, I will show you some symbols. This means no. Do you know where my keys are? So let's look at a stacks with the cognate no. There are two main types of cognates, no and then think. They have the different grammar rules, and you need to learn the different stacks rules. Today, let's do no. Okay, so this is your first time to see this, and it's quite hard. So take your time and watch the video more than one time. So in stacks, you know 1, 2, 3, 4A, 4B, 4P, maybe 4Z, even for alpha, right? And then 5 and 5x. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 things. But actually, we can get many, many more sentences out of your stacks. So today we will start. How do you get more sentences? Today I will show you how to get about 20 sentences. Out of here, we can make about 20 sentences. And there are many more, but today this is the start. So if you have trouble, it's okay. Take your time. Okay, let's draw a grid. So get a piece of paper and write this down with me. I'll show you how it works. So draw a box. let's make 4 up and down. Let's make 6 across. Oh, we will do 24. This is pretty small. Sorry, I will do one more time. Please make it wider. This is a very big thing to work on. I have here and I have here. Okay. We need more space. This. Okay. Try one more time. On your paper, draw this. Make 4 lines up and down. Then we need 6. So this will be 3 and 3. Okay, here. And on the side, we will put 1 for A, 5x. This is the first time I showed you the code symbols. So take your time, it's a little hard. This is for A. This is for B. This is for P. This is for Z. This is 5. And this is 5x. Now, these things have pictures that go with them. So 1 for stacks is mostly like this or like this. This means 1, 3. Like, do you have a cookie? Yes, I do. Yes, I do is up. Down is, oh, sorry, my mistake. 1, 2. 1, 2. Do you have a cookie? Yes, I do. Number 2, yes, I do. Or, do you have a cookie? No, I don't. No, I don't. This is down. This is, do you have a cookie? Yes, I do. Do you have a cookie? No, I don't. So for 1, let's use this symbol like this. For A, when you have stacks, where's 4A? Here or here? It's here. This is 4A. So the circle is on the top, at the top high, and on the left. Look at this. Here's a circle on the top of the line, and on the left, just like this. This is 4A. 4A, and then 5. 4A, 5. And this, the circle is on the top, on the left. What about this? Circle's on the bottom, on the right. This is 4B. 4A, 4B. We have 4P. 4P looks like this. 4P. We have 4Z. There's more, but we'll just do these. This is a lot. 4Z. That's beautiful. Look at that. 4Z. And 5 is very, very normal. Very 보통, very usual. Just a line. That's 5. And 5x is a line, but and boop, like that. 5x. 5 and 5x. So on your chart, let's draw the symbols. 4A, 5, 5x, 4A, 4B, 4P, 4Z, 5 and 5x. Okay, so when we combine them, and I will explain the chart as we go, when we combine them, we get a new picture for every sentence. So instead of stacks 1, 2, 3, 4a, 4b, 4p, 4z, 4 alpha, 5, 5x, we now have 24 things, a couple dozen. There's lots more, but let's start here. So let's work here. 1 for A. And the two sentences are divided by the conjunction. Sentence and sentence. This is a short sentence. I knew. And this is longer. I opened a safe. Sorry, he opened a safe. So, when we say I know something, we put this comma like this. Or I knew something, this comma. This is 1, and 4a is here. Like that. Got it? And one more thing. I knew. Is that the future or past or 현재? 미래, 과거? Is 과거. Knew. So past is, if we have a line, here's now. Where is the future? Here or here? Let's say here. This is 미래. This is 현재. So this can be past. 과거. This means past. This sentence, he knew, is 과거. So let's put a dot here on this symbol. This part is past tense. This says 과거. And he opened a safe. That's also past tense. Let's put a circle here too. Like that. There. That says 1 for A. 1 for A. This symbol tells me a lot. Let's try. Number 1 for A. Did they know who opened a safe? Did they know who opened a safe? That's 1 for A. Draw that. 1 for B. We put this line because there should be an answer to the question. Did they know who opened the safe? Did they know what he opened? Number 2, yes, they did. Like that. That's why we have the number 1 sign. Okay, so look at this. 1 for B. 1 for B. Ready? Number 1 for B. Did they know what he opened? Number 1 for B. Did they know what he opened? 1 for B. 1 for P. Here's 4P. Get your circles. This is 1. Here's 4P. This is 1 for P. 1 for P. Did they know what he did? Number 1 for P. Did they know what he did? Let's do 1 for Z. Can you draw it? 1 Z for Z. Comma. 과거, 과거. Past tense. 1, comma, for Z. 1 for Z. Did they know what happened? Let's do 1, 5. This means no. 1, 5. 1, 5. Number 1, 5. Did they know he opened a safe? This is 1, 5x. 1, 5x. Number 1, 5x. Did they know he didn't open a safe? Number 1, 5x. Did they know he didn't open a safe? Let's do the next one. 4A, 4A. It's a little funny. 4A, 4A. 4A, 4A. Who knew who opened a safe? Who knew who opened a safe? Okay, let's write the next ones. You can pause and catch up to me. We'll write this line, then we'll try them. We have 4A, 4B. We have 4A, 4P. We have 4A, 4Z. We have 4A, 5. We have 4A, 5X. The picture for this, 4A, 4B. 4A, 4B. That's beautiful. 4A, 4P. 4A, 4P. Wow. 4A, 4Z. 4A, 4Z. Number 4A, 5. Very easy. Number 4A, 5X. 4A, 5X. So let's try this one. 4A, 4B. 4A, 4A, 4B. Who knew what he opened? 4A, 4B. Who knew what he opened? 4A, 4P. Who knew what he did? Who knew what he did? 4A, 4Z. Who knew what happened? 4A, 4Z. Who knew what happened? Number 4A, 5. Who knew he opened a safe? Number 4A, 5X. Who knew he didn't open a safe? Who knew he didn't open a safe? Now let's write the next ones. You can pause the video and catch up to me. 5, 4A, 5, 4B, 5, 4P, like this. You can write, and please write all of the symbols. Here we go. 5, 4A, 5, 4B, 5, 4P, 5, 4Z, 5, 5, 5, 5X, 5X, 4A, 5X, 4B, 5X, 4P, 5X, 4Z, 5X, 5, 5X, 5X. Okay. Symbols. 5, 4A, 5, 4B, 5, 4P, 5, 4Z, 5, 5. This one's cute. 5, 5X. 5X, 4A, 5X, 4A, 5X, 4B, 5X, 4P, 5X, 4Z, 5X, 5, 5X, 5X. Okay, 5X, 4A. You can pause the video and write it down. Okay, let's try. This is very long. You're doing very good. Keep going. 5, 4A. 5, 4A. They knew who opened a safe. 5 for A. They knew who opened a safe. 5 for B. 5 for B. They knew what he opened. Number 5 for B. They knew what he opened. Number 5 for P. 5 for P. They knew what he did. Number 5 for P. They knew what he did. Number 5 for Z. They knew what happened. Number 5 for Z. They knew what happened. Number 5. They knew he opened a safe. Number 5. They knew he opened a safe. Number 5X. They knew he didn't open a safe. Number 5X. They knew he didn't open a safe. You're almost done. You're doing great. Number 5X for A. 5X for A. 5X for A. They didn't know who opened a safe. They didn't know who opened a safe. Number 5X for B. 5X for B. They didn't know what he opened. Number 5X for B. They didn't know what he opened. Number 5X for P. 5X for P. They didn't know what he did. They didn't know what he did. Number 5X for Z. They didn't know what happened. Number 5X for Z. They didn't know what happened. Number 5X5. Almost done. 5X5. They didn't know he opened a safe. Number 5X5. They didn't know he opened a safe. Last one, number 5X. They didn't know he didn't open a safe. Number 5X. They didn't know he didn't open a safe. Amazing. That's your first time to try cognates and all those sheets, all those codes. That's a lot. You did great. Okay. Happy practicing. Bye-bye.